Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Still on differential calculus. We are still looking at general method of differentiation. With us here is example 3. We have 3a and 3b. Let's consider this question. A, if y equal root x, we are asked to find change in y with respect to x. B, we are asked to find the derivative of 1 divided by x root x. Let's write down the solution and see how we can handle this. We have our solution here to A now. We have y equal root x. We can write this as y equal x power half. Root x means x power half. Then we apply the general method. Okay, so it means dy by dx will now be equals to this half will drop down to multiply this x and the power will reduce by 1. So this will now be half multiplied by x power half minus 1. Very important. So change in y now with respect to x will be equals to half multiplied by x power half minus 1, of course, will be minus half. We can write this as half multiplied by x. We can write this as times 1 divided by x power half using negative law of indices. If we have a power minus n, this is the same thing as 1 divided by a power n. That's what I just did. Since we have x power minus half, it's the same thing as 1 divided by x power half. So this is our change in y now. And finally, change in y with respect to x now will be 1 divided by 2x power half. Or we can write it as 1 divided by 2 root x. X power half means x power half means square root of x. So this is said to be the solution. dy by dx is nothing but 1 divided by 2 x power half or 1 divided by 2 roots x. So this is the solution to A. Let's quickly move to B and look at what we'll get in B. The same procedure. Okay, let's clean this side. Solution to B now. Our B is defined as we are asked to find the derivative of this. First thing for us to do is let this to be equals to y. Let this be equals to y. So let y be equals to 1 divided by x root x. Very important. Now at this point we can write this as y equals to 1 divided by x times x power half. Very important. X multiplied by root x means x multiplied by x power half. Then we apply multiplication law of indices here. This x has a power of 1. So it means if we have x power 1 times x power a half, the base are the same. We can add the power since we are multiplying. Pick one of the base, that's x power 1 plus 1 divided by 2. This is very simple. This will now be x. We say 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. That will be 3 divided by 2. So it means this will now be y equal 1 divided by x power 3 divided by 2. Very important. So it means when we multiply this, we'll have x power 3 divided by 2. We still apply negative law of indices here. Recall that if we have a power minus n will be equals to 1 divided by a power n. So this is not the same thing as y equal x power. This is positive power. When we take it up, it will get negative minus 3 divided by 2. So at this junction, we can find change in y now after this simplification with respect to x. Let's move here. A change in y now with respect to x will be this power minus 3 divided by 2 will drop down. It will be minus 3 divided by 2. To multiply this x, and the power, of course, will reduce by 1. Very important. So let's work on the power. We have minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1. Let's find the LCM. The LCM, of course, is 2. 2 into 2 is 1 times minus 3 minus 1 into 2 is 2 times 1. That's 2. That will be minus 5 divided by 2. So finally, we have minus 3 divided by 2 we multiply x power minus 5 divided by 2. This is our dy by dx. We can still simplify this further and write it as change in y with respect to x now will be minus 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by x power 5 divided by 2 using negative law of indices now, such that change in y with respect to x now will be minus 3 times 1, that's minus 3 divided by 2 times x power 5 divided by 2. We may decide to leave our answer like this, or we can write this as minus 3 divided by 2 2 root x all in power 5. Very important. We can write it like this. 2 roots, that's when we have x power 5 divided by 2. The center is saying root x all in power 5. Very important. So this is said to be the solution to B. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ Smart Clinic for more interesting videos. In my next video, God's willing, we'll look at more examples from this general method of differentiation. See you in my next video. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you for coming, and thank you.